I've done good with retrievers before, but not in that deal. I sure don't want to. I have one retriever that might work on a 3, but if you got any turns, it won't work at all. If you catch it wrong, you'll never get your thing back in. Now, you know, it's funny, if we drop a blade, we're responsible. Remember last time we did that one? I ground that sucker out so far. And you told me there's no way I was going to be able to do it, and I did it.
What, the one at that lady's house?
Yeah.
I was really surprised.
Well, there's 125 feet of pure hell. Offset Central. Wow.
Oh, that's clean.
Those are clean as a whistle.
That's clean. Yeah.
They're as clean as you're going to get.
That's all that really.
That's about as clean as you can get. That's loose. Those are beautiful. ABS. We are in ABS there.
This is where I was getting stuck.
There's
Maybe
an
I was
offset
just
right
in
there.
roots. I guess that's all it was the roots.
Well, you want to put it down there and I'll see if I can walk it through. Wait a minute. Get a little closer. See where that little funky is? Figure out what that is. Is that an offset or a break?
It's just
At the base.
It's all set.
Okay. I can try to walk that through for you.
I'll get it. I just didn't realize the roots were that bad right there.
Yeah, I took my thin blade and put it in that blade. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Alright, well, if you want to do that, I'll camera the other line. Or you want to camera the other line?
No, I'll go ahead and I'll do it.
Alright.
If it's too wide, I'll stop.
Well, I didn't really. I tell you, it's tough because of how many turns are in there too. I think that has an effect on how quick it's getting bound up.
Yeah.
Just be careful because that thing wanted to bind up pretty quick. But
I know.
Alright.
I'll put my strap.
You got that short cord up here still, right?
Huh?
You got that short cord, right?
Short cord.
Short cord.
Yeah, it's up there, right behind you, I think. Yeah, it's right behind you.